we have a Chevy Spark throwing a code 95 on the dash along with an airbag light. This one's pretty easy. I'll show you what it is. There you go, code 95, airbag lights on. Oh. The code 95 pertains to the airbag sensors underneath your seats. And if you look here, it's under the passenger side. Yeah. You got a couple of wiring connectors, so it could be any of these wiring connectors, but look right here. That was a Chihuahua attack. So it could be anything, but in this case, code 95 means Chihuahua attack. Repair the wires, it'll be better. Back to the code 95 we had. Splice my wires back together with some proper crimps and threw some Gorilla Tape on there. Yeah, so that's all better. You guys check all of your wires, all of your connections. Most of the time this code 95 is wiring related as opposed to the actual sensors or little ECUs themselves. Same under the driver's seat. There we go. Alright, driver's side. Same kind of setup. Usually just a bad wire somewhere. This can happen for a lot of reasons. Get something stuck under there and pull on a wire and break it. Anyway, repaired that. As you can see, no more code 95. Good to go.